Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can close or delete your Lightyear account. So first, you just have to go to their website, which is the lightyear.com, and then go to their help center. Once you're here, you just have to tap on the start searching button right here, and then search for how to close, and then the result will then come up right here. So this one. Just click on that one. And here are the steps or the information about it. So to close your account, you have to ensure that it holds a zero balance. So this means that no cash or financial instruments and no pending orders. So account can only be closed once all the funds and holdings can be fully withdrawn to your personal bank account. So you have to keep in mind that you won't be able to open a new account later on. So if you want to come back, then they will need to reactivate your previous one. So here is how you can close the the Lightyear. So the steps to be taken in the app to close your entire existing position. So you can tap on sell, then choose the selling format, number of shares, and then tap sell max. Then make sure to cancel any pending orders so you can check any manage them in the transactions tab. So once your balance is now zero, then you can close it. So navigate to the profile on the mobile, the top left corner. Then on the web, it's going to be on the top right corner. You just have to select the three dots on your account and then tap on close account. So you just have to take note that in accordance with applicable financial regulations, they will store submitted personal data and associated account information for at least 5 years after closure. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!